pretty wet. Definitely pretty wet. But I'm thinking no snow. It's like 52 right now. I'm thinking we're gonna be okay. So, hi Mrs. Ryan. So we're heading up now. See you in a few. Well, we had to stop at the helipad because this weather.
It's pouring rain.
I don't know if it's pouring or not. More misting. She likes to make everything. You're a embellisher. That's what you are. You're an embellisher. It's the writer in her. But man, come on! This is awesome! See up there. And then there's when the first few show up at NEWCOMB'S, and you get this. And we've got a bunch of people coming. So Danny, wake up. Danny, wake up. Darren, wake up. Well, Danny finally came and opened the door to tell us no. NEWCOMB'S is closed today. Boy, would that have been nice to know, talking about it on the podcast, inviting people and having people come up. Apparently they put it on their Facebook page. I reached out on Instagram, but NEWCOMB'S still lives. What's that?
Nobody goes to Facebook.
Agreed. All right, you live, you learn.
Where are we going?
I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. Bye. With the lemons, you make the lemonade. We have gotten a bunch of our people, not everybody, but a bunch of them together. And we're gonna go to Patty's in Burbank. So, we'll see you all there.
There he is.
What's up, you guys? Boom! Hi! We're all going to Patty's in Burbank. See you there. There's one guy who really wanted to go to Patty's. That's him. Gotta be on like 397 at this point in that car.
Okay, so wait.
That's good.
Possible
Next to it,
400
yeah.
that we were talking about earlier.
That's a crappy signature, but there we
Sign
go.
it again.
That's right.
Sign it again.
Did you sign your book?